Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn how to create tooltips in CSS. A tooltip is typically used to provide additional information about an element when the user hovers their mouse pointer over it. As you can see in this preview. Basic tooltip. Here we have a basic tooltip example. This is the HTML code and this is the CSS code. Here you can see that we have enclosed the tooltip text in a separate class. In the CSS code we have initially specified visibility hidden for the tooltip text, which hides it by default. And here we have specified visibility visible for the tooltip text, which is applied when the user hovers over the tooltip element. In this way the tooltip is hidden and shown according to the hover behavior. The rest of the code is just for styling and positioning the tooltip. Positioning tooltips. To position tooltips in different directions, you can use the positioning properties in CSS. That is adjusting the tooltip's placement by using top, right, bottom, or left properties. Now we'll see some examples. Right tooltip. You can align the tooltip text to the right of an HTML element by specifying the left positioning property, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Left tooltip. You can align the tooltip text to the left of an element by specifying the right positioning property, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Top tooltip. You can align the tooltip text to the top of an element by specifying the bottom positioning property, as you can see in this code. You can use the left and margin left CSS properties to center align the tooltip text, as you can see in this preview. Bottom tooltip. You can align the tooltip text to the bottom of an element by specifying the top positioning property, as you can see in this code. You can use the left and margin left CSS properties to center align the tooltip text, as you can see in this preview. Tooltip arrows. Tooltip arrows help visually connect the tooltip to the element it's describing. They can be created using CSS with the after or before pseudo elements, and by using border styles. Now we'll see how to add arrows to tooltips. Bottom arrow. In this example, a bottom arrow is created for the top tooltip by using the after pseudo element and adjusting its top, left and border color properties. And you can see the preview here. Fade in tooltips. To fade in the tooltip text as it becomes visible, use the CSS transition property in combination with the opacity property. This will transition the tooltip from completely invisible to fully visible over a specified duration, which is 1 second in this example, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. This was all about CSS tooltips. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.